Yo guys, what's going on? And what a week and a half it's been. Portfolio update number 3. Fair bit of news going on in Australia, starting with Commonwealth Bank announcing a possible 30% decrease in the housing market sector over the next 3 years, which is great for me as this is what I was hoping for to begin with when I first initially sold my house. And the second big news is China's threats to Australia to put a tariff on the Australian barley exports with possible threats to iron and coal export also. Is this really what the world has come to? China getting told off by everyone and now acting like a child back to us just because we want to inquire about this Rona that's going on. But you guys didn't come here for the news, and at the moment no one's really coming here at all. But maybe if I can get you guys to smash that like button, it might bring in more people. But on another note, this video is an update on my portfolio and what I've been up to this week. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's get straight into it with what I had planned this week. So it all started off with a purchase order I sent in to try and pick up some JBHIFI for around about $34.20 on the 18th. And boy did it go up that day, missing my order. And at this point in time, when I'll film in this recording, it is now the 21st. And at this point in time, the price has gone up every day since. So I'm just going to hold off for a bit. Or if anything, I might put in a very small order, as I was initially going to just take up a $2,000 position in my portfolio for JBHIFI. But we'll see what happens in the next few weeks and see if I make a little purchase or not, or just don't bother with purchasing into JBHIFI at all. Now, let's quickly see where my portfolio is at as of the 22nd of May on Friday. So, with my 2 new purchases of this week, my portfolio will be sitting around about $36,696, which has taken my estimated dividend earnings up to $2,180 annually, with an estimated monthly income of $181. My next goal is to hit around about $200 per month of passive income. But minusing the Bapcor trade, which I haven't explained yet in this video, which was worth $5,885, is bringing my portfolio back down to $30,500 roughly, and changing my dividend income to $168 monthly, which equates to around about $2,020 on average, and that's just estimated dividend earnings annually. Alright, now the second decision I was unable to make at the start of the week and has been on my mind throughout the whole week was if I should sell off my short-term / possible long-term position in Bapcor. As you guys know, I bought in at around about $4.80, and since then it's taken off, and we are currently sitting at $5.91 per share as of the market close on the 21st of May. Now, I'm holding 1,020 shares, so going by this, as you can see on the screen, I'm around about $1,100 up. But by the time it hit Friday, they started going back down from there, uptrend. So I decided to bite the bullet and take the profits. Still coming in at around about $950 profit from the deal, which I'm happy with, and I'll keep an eye on them if they come back down again. But by now, I'm out of Bapcor. Now, I did buy some stocks this week. I topped up my AGL stock by another $1,400, and I also bit the bullet and made a small position in CBA. I had $12,000 allocated for CBA, and initially was going to do a purchase of $6,500 when the price came down to around about $58. But I can't seem to catch it when it gets there. So today I did a smaller investment instead. And instead of continually trying to time the market, and I made a purchase of 67 shares valuing around about $4,000. I've always been pretty strong about CBA in being the best of the big 4 and stand by my position strongly. It's just I was trying to find a better buy-in, but we'll see what happens in the future, especially with these claims of themselves claiming 30% value loss in the housing market over the next 3 years. And they have already allocated, as you can see in this article, $1.5 billion to allow for potential future losses, which has taken their predicted and doubtful debts to $6.4 billion. How crazy is that? But as we all know, this might already be priced in, as lately the stock market doesn't seem to be reacting to news like it used to, and if it's factoring in everything already. And just in case this is factored in already, I've got a small position now, and in the future I'll slowly average out my $12,500 that I have allocated for this stock, or if the market decides to drop suddenly again, I'll just do a bigger lump sum investment. So that just about does it for this week's update in my portfolio. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and maybe you can check out some of my previous videos. Stay tuned for future content, and I'll catch you guys later.